Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. You're not lost, you're on the right channel. So on this channel, we do share crafts like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, and we also share like how you can grow your natural hair and how you can make your own products at home DIY, for flawless skin without any toxic ingredients. Yes. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make your own pineapple juice at home for bones, digestion, blood vessels, the heart, a lot of them. Yes, and for the immunity. Yes. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. To my 92 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. I really appreciate you so much. This hearts to you.
Know what, friends? In place of infectious disease, non-communicable or lifestyle diseases have increasingly become the leading cause of mortality and morbidity around the world. And study after study points to dietary, choices or other lifestyle practices as the main culprit for this modern plague. Perhaps it's time to rethink how we look at food and how we choose what we put into our mouth. After all, every cell that makes up our body is nourished by what we eat. So the adage is indeed true: you are what you eat. So pineapple is a drought-tolerant plant that is native to Paraguay in South America. European sailors were responsible for the propagation of pineapple around the world when they carried them along with them during their voyage. They brought pineapples to protect themselves from scurvy, a physical condition caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. So it takes almost 3 years for a pineapple to mature. So like serving size and calories, one slice that is 166 grams and calories 83. And most significant nutrients per 100 gram is it's excellent source of vitamin C and magnesium. So pineapple is good for the bones. It helps build strong bones and connective tissues. It helps prevent muscle soreness and cramps. Contains copper, which is essential in bone metabolism. It helps in the synthesis of collagen in the body, contributing to bone health. It reduces swelling in physical injuries. It's also good for digestion. It lowers risk for colorectal cancer, regulates fat metabolism in the liver, encourages digestion, provides bulk in the stool to prevent constipation. It helps the body utilize biotin, thiamine that help improve synthesis of fatty acids. It's also good for the immune system. So it prevents any bacterial growth in the mouth, helps prevent upper respiratory tract infections like cough and colds, fights against cancer or tumor cell growth. It's also good for the heart, blood, and blood vessels. It controls heart rate and blood pressure, prevents blood clots, synthesizes the red blood cells. It's also good for reducing the risk for macular degeneration, improving the balance of electrolytes, reducing pain, increasing urine output. Pineapples also strengthen gums and teeth because they are rich in vitamin C, maintain strong and healthy, yes, bones. And they also keeps the skin healthy and glowing because they have manganese. It's also good for the eyes because they are rich in vitamin A. And it's also good to reduce hypertension because it has potassium. And it also combats high blood pressure because it's low in sodium content. Tips and precautions. Like pineapple is believed to contain pesticide. When unripe, it is not only inedible but poisonous. So when eaten unripe, pineapple can irritate the stomach and cause a vigorous evacuation of the bowels. So excessive consumption of pineapples can cause the formation of fiber balls in the digestive tract. Now, ways to prepare pineapple. So maybe both frozen, dried, or canned. They can be eaten raw by itself, added to salads, used as toppings, added to main dishes, preserved as a jam, jelly, or marmalade, baked or juiced. Yes, so now we are just putting our pineapple pieces in our blender and make sure that you blend it. You can even add some water if you wish. Yes, so I'm super excited. Like we have done about 4 videos on how the juices. You can check them out or I'll link them in the description box below. So now we are getting a strainer. So it's up to you to decide whether to drink it the way it is or to strain it. So now we are just going to strain it using a strainer. Make sure that you press so that more juice can come out. So you have to make sure that you don't overdo your juices. So drinking juice is not the cure, but only a part of the solution. Don't make juice your daily habit, hoping to cure an illness. Juices, especially like greens, offer lots of health benefits that will make you healthier, but not necessarily heal an ailment. If you are healthy, however, physically and mentally, your body can fight off illness and sickness better. So drinking juices is a delicious, healthy, and rewarding way to load up on vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Yes, enjoy its health benefits while taking note of these gentle reminders. And you have to make sure that you try different kinds of juices, like infused variety, because if you drink the same kind of juice every day of the week, even if you are drinking vegetable juice, you drink the same nutrients. So it's boring, right? Just because you want a healthy looking skin and shiny hair doesn't mean you drink pineapple juice day in, day out. So variation is the key. Juicy fruits in season, they come in cheaper. Remember, the most variety of juices you drink, the more nutrients you introduce to your body. So at this point, we're so excited because our juice is ready. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. So now we are drinking our juice. So you have to make sure that you drink on an empty stomach. You have just eaten. It's recommended that you postpone drinking your juice until at least after 2 hours, the ideal time frame between eating and drinking. When your stomach is empty, the vitamins and minerals get straight into your bloodstream. So drinking on a full stomach hinders the flow. If you, however, you just have few time, then postpone. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you.